See.
Oh, you want to see me now?
What?
Now you want to see me?
Nigga, I've been telling you I don't want to see you since I fucking met you.
For real?
Hello.
For real? Are you serious? For real? Don't lie to me.
I'm not lying.
Hey, do it again, D. Hey, y'all, this is Diamond. D is about to do a reenactment of Diamond when she begging me to say I love her. Do it.
She's like, Diamond like, Gerald, tell me you love me.
Say it, Diamond.
Tell me you want me.
Huh?
What?
I love you.
Huh?
Let me see that shit, dog.
Oh shit. Hold on. Hey. This is cut. Camera cut off. Cut, nigga. Cut that shit. Hey. Nah, keep that shit on real quick, dog. You know what I'm saying? Hey. This our anthem right here, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Everywhere I go, and every hoe I see, they only know one thing.
One thing.
Can I get my dick for free?
For free.
I said no.
Nope.
No, you can't.
No, you can't.
First you gotta buy me a drink.
Me a drink.
No, you mad?
No, you mad.
That's cool.
That's cool.
I'm a hoe, baby, just like you.
Like you. Oh. Evening.
Holla at me.